Hey, what's going on, everybody? Sadistic Picker here, and we are back with, well, a shout out and a pick. I want to give a shout out to Thumper. He's not feeling well. I think he's in the hospital getting better. Let's hope he's getting better. And I just wanted to give a shout out to him and his channel. Let's go over there and give a look. Pick a video, watch it, give a comment, help lift his spirits up. Give him something to do while he's in there, huh? To focus on other than the bad that might be going on, or just to help carry along the good that probably is going on. So this one's for you, Thumper. I hope you enjoy it, man. I picked out the hardest lock I could find, which was this Chinesium Kingsman cross lock. And what better thing to pick it than, what better thing to pick it with than the pecker pick? Oh yeah! We are definitely going to get it on with the dick pick. So, without further ado, well, let's make sure we get a proper tensioner here. We want to make sure the dick pick gets its job done. Oh no, that is not the proper tensioner. Do I have a proper tensioner? By God, by gummy. Okay. Here we go, Thumper. Ready for some real picking with it. Oh, come on. If we can get it tensioned right. Okay. All right. Here we go. So we know it's locked up. All right. This one's for you, Thumper. Hey. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Oh. All right. Let's get it up here. Oh. Gonna get it? Oh, I don't know. Maybe we overset it. Okay, come on now. You're not gonna get it picked with this. And ta-da! Knew we can get it done. One more time. Hey, yeah. Come on, get in there. Come on. Get in there. Just get in your home. Holy cow. And? All right, Thumper. Let's see. One more time. Let's do something else. Let's use the city rake. Let's violate this thing with the city rake. Come on. And all right, let's do. Can we do it with the double peak? There we go. And let's see. Do we do it with the triple peak? I mean, we did it with the double. Why not the triple too? Oh man, I just can't get enough of that. All right, Thumper. All right. Are we gonna get it with this? I don't even know what the hell this is. But what do you think? I mean, we've got it with the rest. Why not? Oh, man. It's like he's on fire. I can't wait to see you back out here catching fire, picking all these locks, man. We really miss you, and we hope you're getting better. Can't wait to see you putting out some content again, brother. Well, and so you get to run your Thumpers 700, which big congratulations on 700. I'm sure you're over that, but again, big congratulations, and we hope to hear from you, and see you soon, brother. Get better. All right, everybody. If you like this, good, you should. Thumpers is shit. Get over to his channel and check some of his video out. You'll thank me. If you don't know who Thumper is, we're going to drop a link here, so it'll take you right over there. Just about anything the guy made. Wide variety of content. Picks all kinds of luck. Guy has skill. He's got picking skill, let me tell you. So go check him out. All right.